How to adjust photo saturation on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the Gallery app. Now in here, make sure you go back to Gallery homepage. Then in your pictures gallery, open up a picture that you would like to adjust. Next, we tap on the edit button at the bottom. Then tap on the tone button down here. Now at the top, we swipe across and select saturation. Now at the bottom here on the slider bar, you can drag it to the right to decrease or increase the saturations in the photo. After that, tap on saved to save the changes. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.